The YouTube algorithm isn't a mystery, but it's a tool that you can master. YouTube's algorithm, aka YouTube search and discovery systems, has one goal: deliver the right video to the right viewer at the right time. This means that the videos you're recommended in the morning on your phone are different from in the evening on your TV. So basically, the algorithm tailors content choices for each individual user based on their viewing history and interests. If a viewer likes football, walking and baking, then they're going to see videos on those topics. But if they watch a nature video, then the algorithm's going to show that nature video to similar viewers interested in football, walking and baking. This is how YouTube builds audience profiles for channels. But the YouTube algorithm decides how many people to show videos to based on viewer personalization and video performance. It customizes recommendations depending on what the viewers watch, ignore, dismiss, and their viewing frequency of certain channels and topics. Now, YouTube prioritizes keeping users on the platform by pushing high-performing videos, but the YouTube algorithm determines high-performing videos based on 4 factors: average view duration, average percentage watched, likes on a video, and user surveys. But these 4 factors can be summed up into something called viewer satisfaction. Basically, a viewer is satisfied when they click on a video they want and get what they need. YouTube videos by default can be shown in 3 different areas: search, browse, and Google. Side note, Google owns YouTube. Videos created to perform well in search tend to answer specific questions, while videos created to perform well in browse are made to make people curious and click. And videos created to do well in YouTube search also tend to do well in Google search too. But creators can improve video results by focusing on improving watch time, making the viewer want to stick to the end and see the outcome. They can improve session time by linking to their own videos at the end of each video, and they can improve click-through rate by improving video packaging, which is the title and thumbnail, to encourage people to click. The algorithm, actually, let's change that word in a second, prefers quality content, but beginner creators should focus on quantity at first, because it leads to quality. But the difference between YouTube's algorithm and many other social media algorithms is that it continues to promote evergreen content over time, which means if a video gets 100 views in its first month, once the algorithm finds the right audience, it could get 100,000 views in its first year. It's why I love YouTube. But here's the thing: if 2 creators make videos on the same topic, the algorithm will favour the better performing video, even if a creator thinks their video is doing well. But with YouTube, timing is everything, and trends come and go. For example, a Christmas video will always perform better in December than in June. But let's go back here for a second. That's better. All the algorithm is giving the audience something they want to click on and something they want to watch. But if you're curious how I got here and you want to do something similar in your videos, then click this video right here to find out how.